Welcome back. I challenge you to set up your dropshipping business and make your first $1,000 in just 1 month. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, choose your niche. If you are knowledgeable and passionate about your business, it will be much easier to run and get the word around using social media. Check your competition. A simple Google search can help identify the right niche. By looking at your potential competitors' product, pricing, and reviews, you can find the product in demand to be the hero to fill the need. If you are knowledgeable about pet products and see what people search for, but there is no quality product for your fur baby, it could be the right niche for you. Next, find reliable supplier or manufacturer. There are excellent choices for your print-in-demand services. Check their reviews and get a sample order to assess quality. Now, set up your e-commerce store. There are plenty of platforms to choose, and many include AI to create your website for a professional appearance. Make sure it is set up for mobile orders. Add products to your store by importing products from your supplier and customizing them to your liking. Keep it clear and search optimized. Set up payment using established payment platforms like Shopify and PayPal. Decide how shipping costs are calculated, or if you're going to offer free shipping as an incentive for larger orders. Marketing your store is the next step. Include meta tags and search words, avoiding too generic and too limited words. If you can brand your store, start advertising it after checking it was not yet taken. Start a blog or use video and word-of-mouth marketing to drive traffic to your store. While much of the work will be done by your fulfillment company, it is important to respond quickly to customers' questions. Your success will depend on customers' reviews. Use analytics to understand which products sell well and where your traffic comes from. Expand your best product line, try new niches, and improve marketing. Decide when setting up a business like LLC is the best way to separate your personal life from business. Ask for references and get trusted professionals to help you along the way. Do you want to see if you can excel in dropshipping business? If yes, follow the steps, do the research, and start now. Until next time, click like and subscribe to learn more.